Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is moving day. Look at him looking at me. You guys, it's moving day, and the moving truck is an hour late. So we're having a little bit of late start, but that's fine. We are early because we've been up from 6 o'clock. You want to say good morning? Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
You say good morning.
Say good morning.
You say good morning.
I say good morning.
When?
No, good morning.
Your mom, why? Jesus, you're hungry?
I'm not hungry.
Well, your mouth says otherwise.
My stomach says otherwise.
Maybe. You guys, so they're here eventually, and the truck is outside. They're trying to bring it in because they came with a very big truck, so they're trying to get everything get the truck in and see how they're going to start the process and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's see how this goes. You wanna say your last goodbyes? Hello.
Goodbye, Tyler House. I'm gonna call it Tyler House.
Oh, we're leaving.
You're happy, but that's just souvenir. Tyler, this is where you born, your first house. So maybe one day we come back here and just to look.
Yes, just to show him where it all started.
Alright.
It's
go.
bittersweet. We're leaving our first nest. Bye bye, house. We shall meet.
We're gonna have a 5 hour and 8 minutes. If we don't stop, we're gonna reach at 9. But because we're gonna stop, we're gonna reach at 11.
Because I think we're gonna stop for dinner, and then we're gonna stop to feed Tyler dinner.
Yeah, we're gonna do that in same time.
Yeah, that
But
should be good.
We also, if I feel tired, I also need to
break.
stop.
Yeah, because to drive for 5 hours and I can't help you.
Nope.
We would never reach. Yes, baby.
So I'd rather drive like 2-3 hours now so I can reach the highway before it's dark, before it's night.
Yeah.
That would be good.
Yeah, that would be good. We are off to our new location, and you guys, we are looking a hot mess, especially me. But I must say we did a good job, babe.
Look, I still kept my
piege.
not my yeah,
You're
it's my
cleaning
piege,
clothes.
like cleaning clothes, and used to be my piege.
Well, I'm still in my piege. We clean from top to bottom. It's a good thing that we had done deep cleaning 2 days ago, so cleaning wasn't that bad.
Just on time.
Yeah, it was just right. So we clean everything, put back everything the way we saw it when we first came. They came, we give back the keys, and
So we are homeless actually.
yes, we're homeless. The truck is ahead of us, but we don't know when we're getting our stuff, to be honest. It's either tomorrow or Friday, but let's see. So we are on our way to Hubby's family, 5 hours away, and then we'll continue our journey tomorrow to complete the 9-hour drive, and then we shall be home to the new breathtaking spot that I'm looking forward to. So you guys, we're tired, we're exhausted, but the journey must continue. The journey must continue. We were so busy this morning, we couldn't even vlog while they're getting the things out. It was too much going on. So they got everything out fine though, thank God. And yeah, it's a new beginning, a new journey, a new chapter, a new book. One has closed and another is about to be open. So I'm gonna stop the rambling with my bare face and my page and my dusty hair. Who cares? Anyway, you guys, but wait, you haven't seen, yeah, you saw Tyler this morning. You wanna say hi everybody? Look at him. Hello. He's just chilling. Now also make sure that we fed him before we drive out. It was close to his snack time, so it was a good time. But we won't have a miserable whiny baby in the car. So of course y'all know Tyler loves to sleep, so he's gonna fall asleep in a minute. And yeah, we should have a smooth ride. So we'll catch you guys later. Did you say thanks to Uncle, huh? No, no. You gotta open. Open. Come. Come. Look. Yeah. Pull it, baby. Pull it. Pull it. Yet. Pull it. Like. Yeah. Come.
Bébé, tu veux boire quelque chose?
What do you have?
Qu'est-ce que tu as?
Coca, Orangina, Oasis.
Oasis.
Bière.
No, beer. Oasis.
Orange juice.
No, Oasis.
Apple juice.
No, apple juice. De l'eau. Oui. Ok.
De l'eau du frigo ou pas du frigo?
No.
Ça c'est bon.
Okay. Help him. Oh. Help him, baby. Tell Papa to help you. Tyler, look. The pity.
Hein?
Pity.
Alors, je sais qu'il aime bien faire rouler les trucs hein, pour éviter qu'ils me prennent les boîtes de conserve.
J'allais justement dire, tu n'as plus du prendre du thon.
You want that?
He'll find it, I'm sure. What is in it? What is in it? Tell Mama what is in it. You want to see what is in it?
C'est bien, il n'a pas encore. D'habitude, c'est le papier qui...
Look. Oh my gosh, no. He can't get this tonight. Tell her you can't get this tonight. It's too much. They're in pieces.
Okay.
So you have to fix them. If he opens this tonight, he's gonna lose them all. So put them up until he gets home. We can fix them together. So thank you.
Tu dis merci? Merci? Merci, tonton?
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is day 2. We are a little bit rested but still a bit exhausted. After a 5 hours drive yesterday, we reached to our destination and we went straight to bed. Oh my god, we were so tired. So I didn't even pick up the camera. Went straight to bed. Babe spent some time with his brother. And we woke up this morning. It's a brand new day. Today is what, Thursday? Happy Thursday, you guys. Hope you guys are not as tired as we are. Come through light. Hope you guys are not as tired about 30 minutes out from our final drive, or final destination, or final stop. Right, babe? Tyler is sleeping. Oh, he's awake. Hey, Baba. Say good morning. No good morning? But you can already feel the difference in climate. It has been sunny ever since we started our journey this morning. It has been sunny, non-stopping. It doesn't feel nothing like when we left home yesterday. So the weather is starting to feel good, and we shall be capitalizing on that. So today is a big day, very important day, but we'll see what it brings and what happens today. So we left this morning, we didn't have anything to eat, so I think we're just going to stop when we reach, before heading to the apartment, get some breakfast / lunch and feed Tyler same time. And yeah, we will catch you guys later. Hi guys, we are grubbing on
Chicken.
some KFC. We are so hungry. We got here early, thank God we reached safely. Yes, baby. Oh, there you go. He wanted more fries. Yes, baby, I have your fries for you. We got here early, so we have a 2.5. We have a 2.5 appointment. So we're getting something to eat to head back to the apartment for our appointment, and we'll see how that goes. We might have a dilemma tonight with our stuff that we moved. The truck that is coming might not reach tonight and might reach tomorrow. That's crazy, but if that's the case, we're gonna have to go to a hotel to sleep tonight. So we'll let you guys know how that goes. So we're gonna finish it and we'll catch you guys later.